Keith 300 back with another video. Today's video we're gonna be continuing on with the Silverado build. With that being said, I'm on the way to go pick up some wheels right now. I'm gonna take y'all along with me from gas and oil right now. And I'll probably stop and grab me something to eat, and then I'll tap in when we get back. Nah, not when we get back. When I get to the place where I meet them at to get the wheels. Then later on, I got some more cosmetic parts. But yeah, we got the mechanical stuff out the way, so now we're gonna be focusing on the cosmetics. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to wherever I mean dude at to pick up the wheels and show y'all what I got.
Shit at 2 in the morning, I'm beating the boulevard down. So I'm trying to catch a clock, it's a Saturday night. No more kids but slipping at a light, drunk as fuck. Give it to him, pour them bitches in his lap, make a mess, sip a cup. Then wait them hot, push him, hit his throat in his stomach, shit, he'll be full for months. I get them to you in the way you want them, just send me that ad, I'm on it. Niggas be mad at me for no reason, you wanna beat me, don't it? Broke ass nigga, you ain't doing shit for the reason she fucking out. She ain't use the shit, eat that dick off of anything, like fuck the cost. I ain't getting into it with no nigga, I take shit far on petty, kill his dog. Beat his block for an hour, wild up my trigger, made that chop just like a frog. Come around, niggas get it shaking like a tambourine on a Sunday morning. Spook me, I send that bitches through the crowd on a nigga mid performance. I can be one kind of way with niggas, they gon' blow it every time. I ain't from the niggas since the last time I had to bump down with that iron. Crazy ass nigga every time.
Made it back, got the wheels unloaded. Got these high country stocks. I'm most likely gonna put them on 35. I'm about to go and get them loaded on the truck. Well, mounted on the truck. Y'all see how I sit right now. 3-inch level with the no blocks in the back. And after that, I'm gonna be taking these fender flares off. I got some chrome door handles. And I got some chrome trim for the windows and the mirror. Small stuff like that make a big difference with these trucks. Really paying y'all on game, but yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the wheels mounted up. This is how it's saying right now. About to go and add a window trim and a mirror trim. Then I'm gonna take out the fender flares. Oh, I'm gonna take out these badges too. And then the side molding. And get a eraser wheel to get all this off.
And the nigga asked the cushion. Nigga fuck him all home, ain't doing no crash, so I'm the type to get even. Kill his hoe from the back, my foot on the head, that shit'll make him start breathing. Waited on leaving, gonna get up with me, so I went and got my CDF for.
Alright, next up, I'm gonna be getting rid of this bumper. I ain't fucking with the off-road look. I know some people might like it, but we going back factory. Factory bumper, factory grill. But I'll get back to y'all once I get this off.
Throw out, none of these bitches for show out. ARP sound like some dynamite when they go out. Hit to the bar, wherever I catch them, scratch them. Send a pro, I got blessed. Some diamonds ain't him right, let me tell some. Eat up a beef, full course breakfast. Stank one, leave a nigga at breathless. Niggas I run with, younger reckless. Walking down till I'm tired and restless. Probably go GIA on my niggas. Like it, bitch, I pay up your run. I ain't never had a problem doing a little trick off. Closing nigga, I come through drop shit. Never will I hesitate, let blick off. Up and no shoot, just go by the nigga hand like we doing the kick off. All of these cone buttons in them, I can show a nigga how to up, let's switch off. I really smooth nigga like a fruit fly, boy, I raw them living. Nigga ain't never in his life, so shit, he don't raw with it living. He wanna beat his bitch, cause you like him post, I'm like, boy, you kidding. I'm tryna turn his head to a scrum, but every time I get all up in it. I really smooth nigga like a fruit fly, boy, I raw them living. Nigga ain't never in his life, so shit, he don't raw with it living. He wanna beat his bitch, cause you like him post, I'm like, boy, you kidding. I'm tryna turn his head to a scrum.
I'm at this tie shop. You need 35 mounted up on the high countries. And these gonna be going on the truck. Had to get a U-Haul. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get them mounted up. Got all of them mounted up. Made it back to the house. Finna get these unloaded. And put on the truck. Back mounted up. I gotta wait till I bleed the brakes. Then I'm gonna put the front on. I got some little, I think 1.5 inch spacers on it. Seeing decent. I gotta change these tail lights. Trying to decide which ones I'm gonna get. The clears or the smoke LED. But if I get all of them put on, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm about to get the rest of this glue off where I took the side motors off. And I think I'm gonna take the Silverado badge off. I'm gonna leave the Vortex. I already did the other side. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. After I buff it a little bit and wash it, but you see it. Then get the wheels on. I'm gonna show y'all when I wash it. But I'll get back to y'all when I get this off. Just a little update. I got the side moldings off, the emblems. I just replaced the crankshaft. It's right behind that starter because it was struggling a little bit to start sometimes. Now I'm about to replace the valve cover, just the gasket, because it's leaking from right there, as you can see. And I think I'm gonna replace this coil pack also, because I don't know if this oil from the valve cover leak or, but I'm just replace this coil right here. I got all these loosened up, about to pull this valve cover off. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Got the valve cover off. Got the old one right here. New gaskets. About to take this off, clear it up a little bit, replace it. I'll get back to y'all when I get it back in. Made it back, just made a little part store run. Got oil for an oil change. Then I got a coil pack. About to go and pick the coil pack up right now and plug it up. Then I'm gonna start it. Just got everything back together. I'm about to start it real quick before I change the oil to make sure it ain't leaking from nowhere. Got the oil change, got the crankshaft sensor replaced. I changed the ignition coil. Now I'm about to replace this fender with the new one I bought. Right here. It ain't perfect, but it saved me a lot of time from having to get this fender painted. So yeah, I'm about to get this fender off, then I'll get back to you. Got the fender off. Now before I put a new one on, I'm gonna try to line this bumper up. But I'm making progress, trying to go and get this out of the way. I got shit to do later, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Got everything back together, just gotta get that hood painted. Bumper could be lined up a little better. Now I'm about to work on this rear bumper. You can see it's falling apart. About to go and take this off, then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Got the bump off. About to put a new one on. Got the bumper on. Do got a little dent right there, but it's way better than the last one. About to take these emblems off. Then I'm gonna put the fender wells on. I'm gonna go wash it. Get back with y'all, man.